The last device is the Zepbound KwikPen. So the Zepbound comes in the auto injector, but it also comes in a KwikPen. In particular, this is the device that is available for patients who are paying cash, and also the device that will be available for our Medicare patients starting July 1st. So you take off this outer cap, and you're going to screw a tiny needle that will also come along with it, or you can get those needles separately. You can buy those needles on Amazon, or you can buy them from the pharmacy, but they are tiny little pen needles, they're called, that screw onto the end of this device. And then what you're going to do is turn this dial all the way till it goes to 1. It's just going to say the number 1. That means you're taking 1 dose of whatever the dose of the pen is. So if you have the 2.5 milligram pen, you're taking 1 dose of 2.5. If you have the 10 milligram pen, you're taking 1 dose of 10 milligrams. So you dial it to the 1 to take 1 dose. Again, you poke it into your skin, and then you're going to push down on this top part and again, bury it until it goes down. So this one is not going to make any clicks. That's the difference. You're just going to push down on it and push the medicine into your body, and then you can let go. And then that dial is going to go back to 0. So you know that you've pushed it all the way.